welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have Season House, the Christmas box, full spoilers. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do this, but I'm gonna go there because listen, you totally can hear jingle bells as the box moves. So when I went to the UPS store that manages all my mail for me, and they were handing me this box, they were like, this box sounds like it's gonna be so much fun. And I was like, it is going to be so much fun. So if you're new around here, Season House is a seasonal and holiday home decor subscription box. What I love about Season House is it goes alongside your current quarterly home decor subscription boxes. So this box is the spoilers for Christmas 22. It's monthly, it's $79.99, and they do offer prepaid discounts, meaning if you subscribe for 6 months, you're not gonna pay $79.99 per box. You're gonna pay less than that. If you use TPE Save 10, you do get $10 off your first box. This box begins shipping November 10th. This is the Christmas box. They also have a New Year's box. I'm not quite sure if it's on the website yet, but definitely go check because it looks like it's going to be so darn cute. And so you're about to see in just a second why I love this box, because you set up your normal home decor and you rotate the holiday and seasonal items with this box every single month. It's fabulous. There is a style guide included in each box. Each box has 4 to 6 items. They send textiles, greenery, decor, candles, and more. The holidays they celebrate are New Year's, which you need to be watching for, Valentine's, which, oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I didn't have this subscription when, like the last Valentine's. This one's somewhat new for me, so I'm like super stoked to see what Valentine's does. They also do St. Patrick's, Easter, spring, summer, 4th of July, back to school, or end of summer, fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and of course, Christmas. So speaking of Christmas, let's see what is in this box. Season House is cool because they do both seasons and holidays. They don't exclude one or the other, they do both, and that's how I roll. I want to celebrate both. I want to celebrate into summer and back to school. I want to celebrate fall and Thanksgiving. Okay. Ooh, okay. I have all these thoughts. When I open this box, all these thoughts come flying forward, and I'm like, don't freak out, don't freak out, don't freak out. This is what I see on top. I have a few reasons why I'm very stoked about this. Let's slide it down here. On top is this Real Touch wreath. Does this look familiar? It's actually very squished. Give it a second, it'll start livening up. It was packed in the box. Does this look familiar? We got one of these in another home decor subscription box. This exact one, if I remember correctly, which means we now have a set. We could hang these, so like just on the other side of here is my 2 office doors, and they're very narrow doors, so a full-size wreath kind of looks funny on them. Both of these with a bow tied to the front would look epic on my office doors. If you're decorating shelves, so let's say you have 2 or 3 shelves, you can set these on different layers on different sides, because you can set this very easily. It would lean up against. I am very excited to have 2 of these, because when I opened that first one, I was like, whoa, this is excellent quality. And so the same for this one, excellent quality. I am raking my hands through it. See how I just have like a soft claw motion, and I'm going against the grain of the leaves. When you get yours in, do this. It is a little bit messy. You can see on my desk we're creating some mess, but let me finish doing it because you gotta see. Once it's fluffed, it is a very, very happy little guy. And the back of it is grapevine, so you can kind of hang it however. You can hang it using the loop, or you could hang it direct into the grapevine. It'll also be easy to add berries, stems, twigs, and a bow, because once again, you're working with that very flexible grapevine backing. Excellent start to the box. Hold on, gotta go get my BFF. This next item, I think you guys are going to be very excited about, because it's an item we've been seeing trending in a lot of boutiques And we haven't gotten any quite yet. This is what we were hearing. They are, I don't know, are they called sleigh bells? What type of bells are they called? I don't exactly know. I just know they hang like this. I love, love, love them because if you are, let's say you're just working with this wreath, you could put these two together in some form or fashion and it looks adorable. I'd probably want it to be at a bias of some sort like that because these bells actually are in 3 different lengths and I think that's gorgeous. But let's say you have a beautiful greenery like this across a table, a dining table, a sideboard, a mantle. On a mantle, you could hang this on the edge or a sideboard and have it drape off the end. Oh my gosh. It would be so, so cute. And they really work, which is gonna make all kiddos in your life quite happy. Love the bells. Very stoked that we got a set. I've been seeing them in all the local boutiques and was like, I'm not gonna buy any. Let me get through my holiday boxes first. And boom, Season House just hooked it up. I am very intrigued as to what this guy is. Hold the phone. Is it a beaded garland? Except for these hold candles. Look at that. So let me lay it flat. Look. Well, I mean, let me go get a candle. We have to see. Hold on. I love that. I feel like a little shook because if you would have said, do you want another set of beads? I think we all would have said, no. But I want this set of beads. This is so cool. So once again, I'm thinking you could put this on a mantle and have these, like literally the edge of the beads draping off the side. You could have this straight down the center. So if you had a really, really pretty table runner on your table, you could have this running straight down the center with filler around it. I mean, you wanna talk about flexible. This thing, like a circle, like you decide the shape that you want this to go in. I love this so, 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 so much. Okay. What is this? I think it says joy. It does say joy. Hold on, let me pull this off so that we can see it better. Look how cute this is. Once again, very simple, but so, I'm like, this is so gorgeous while showing it to y'all backwards. Here's what the front looks like. So if you got the White Home Woods box, the Dorothy Jean box, the 3rd and Main box, I know for a fact that this Season House box works epic with all of those. Like the color, the tones, everything is a great, great flow. If you have not, you're like, what are you talking about? White Home Woods is sold out. But the 3rd and Main and Dorothy Jean do have inventory left. I have linked those videos below. I'll pop up some cards up here. They won't let me pop them up back to back. So I'll like pop one up. I'll wait a little bit and then I'll pop the other one up so you can go tab those open, because this Season House box plus any or all of those home decor boxes is a dream come true. This is amazing. And look at this. We have not seen a lot of pillows this season. Like, I don't know that I got any pillow or pillowcases this season. So this is pretty exciting for me to see. And I'm digging the colors on this. Oh, it's soft. That is very soft. So here we go. We gotta give it some time to fluff up a little bit. We have this pillow with the pillow insert. And it looks like, look, there's like these little, let me unbutton it. Can y'all see those little wooden knobs? There are like little wooden knobs that close this. So you could just take this cover off, fold it neatly, store it away for the holidays, and continue to use a pillow insert with other cases that you have. I love when they're not sewn shut and you can actually use the insert. Thank you, Season House. Also, totally digging that this is more on the neutral side. Like it has those colors and accents. It has the plaid, all the things that scream Christmas. But I truly believe this whole box could be used for a general holiday. So if you do not celebrate Christmas, but you love the tartan prints and the plaids, and you obviously, who doesn't want joy in their life? I feel like this is a box that is generic enough in beautiful winter that you could use it past Christmas into like February, March, depending on where you live and how cold it is where you live. Or of course, you can be like super extra and go Christmas with this. I am so impressed. I knew I was gonna love this box. Another thing to remember is this is an under $100 option. So if you're like, hey, I can't be doing, some of these other home decor boxes because they're out of budget, maybe your home just needs seasonal accents, and this one is under $100, which is pretty cool. Okay, you guys, we're off to such a good start for our winter home decor. We are like just inching out of October and into November, and I already feel like we have so many beautiful things. That's what I was telling y'all in one of my past videos, is that normally I am pretty hardcore. Like Halloween stays up until November 1st, where I swap everything to Thanksgiving. It stays Thanksgiving decor until the day after Thanksgiving, where I go Christmas. Christmas stays up till the new year, and then it becomes very winter fresh, and I pull back because my Christmas is super extra. Like we have like 3 to 5 Christmas trees in my living room, which is tiny, by the way. It is small, but like I love going big, so I usually take that time to breathe. Not this year. I'm going a hybrid Christmas, Thanksgiving, the day after Halloween. I just can't not. I want to be using, there's so many neutral elements this year. Last year, if you remember, I did this swamp garland across my mantle because I was like, hey, I want to bring in some more neutral elements into my Christmas. Everybody's doing it this season, and I'm here for it. And so I will be incorporating a lot of these pieces you see here the day after Halloween. Also, Christmas music is on. I have not listened to a single Christmas song yet. Have you guys listened to any Christmas music yet? Normally I'm listening to it by now, but this year I was like, no, I really burned my family out last year. I'm gonna kind of hold tight. And so, yeah, we've been listening to like the Boogie Mix and Spooky Spiders and Skeletons and all the Halloween mixes. But I'm gonna tell you, the day after Halloween, Christmas music is going to be everywhere on my house. How about you? I need to know, am I alone? Am I crazy? I mean, I guess I know I'm crazy, but are you crazy with me? Okay, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, I'm going to try to keep updating the Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group on Facebook and Instagram, YouTube community, but I have so many boxes coming in so fast that sometimes I fall behind, and I get the video up here, but I don't remember to like blast it out everywhere. So if you're subscribed here, it's the best way to stay in the know, grab the latest coupons, and grab boxes before they sell out. Like this one, I do believe will sell out really, really quickly because it's really, really good. I hope that you guys are having a very blessed day. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye, y'all.